Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can add to wishlist on Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly you need to open the web browser of the switch. Now go to the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type for Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that you just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and your official website will be shown. So Temu doesn't provide you currently any wishlist service currently. So I'll just show you. There is only add to my cart option. You can just choose that and add to my cart, or choose the size and you can add to the cart successfully. And when you go to the cart, mostly other shopping sites will have an wishlist features available when you go to the cart, but as you can see there isn't any wishlist feature. You can delete the cart or you can have other option like manage the cart and share the cart, but there isn't any features provided to you by Temu in order to add the products to the wish list. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.